Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I visited Dotonburi, Osaka's most famous tourist destination. Oh, it feels good.
Maybe you should have it.
Hello everyone, I just finished eating a pack of Oreo Thin Mint. And now we're heading to Dotonburi for lunch, the kitchen of Japan. I am going to eat a lot as well. So come with me. Apparently there's a machine that's cheaper than 100 yen. On our way there, this cafe caught our attention. Dude man, so look at the amount of dogs inside. I think they have Shiba in there. There's a black Shiba. Do you see it? Do you see it at the very right corner?
Holy shit, he's there.
Do you want to go in just to drink a coffee? Dude, these are all their dogs inside.
Yeah.
Do you want to go in?
I guess so, yeah.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. This is a foster pet cafe. There's an old Shiba. All the dogs here were either abandoned or rescued from a kill shelter. This cafe is essentially their foster home. They are all adoptable.
He looks like he's enjoying it.
This old Shiba Inu is always waiting by the door. He doesn't seem to know that his owner passed away.
Everything changes.
If you are planning to get a pet, please adopt, don't shop. Walking around Dotonbori, I realized only sushi restaurants serve vegan-friendly items. Vegan, 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 grilled, vegan, okra, vegan. So we went to Daiki Suisan, a revolving sushi restaurant. Their inari sushi was good, but the pickled eggplant was so bad. The okra sushi was so good. And of course natto. You can never go wrong with natto. Random haul. I bought this cute erasable Sailor Moon pan from a random shop. For dinner, we decided to eat at Paprika Shokudo, which is around 20-minute walk from Dotonbori. This restaurant has a high ratings on Happy Cow, so I came in with high expectations. There's English on their menu. First up is kabayaki, vegan eel made from tofu. The texture was 80% on point. The flavor was perfect.
It's for you.
Their yakiniku soy meat was really good too.
Pretty good.
Then I made a mistake of ordering their pizza. Shouldn't you cut from center outward?
Should I?
I'm pushing all the toppings off. I honestly can't cut the crust with this.
And the crust is too hard. They should have cut it for us.
Yeah.
Take a bite.
Too much shit on it.
What is
Too
it?
much stuff on it.
Is it good?
I don't know, man.
No?
It's pretty crunchy.
So it's good.
I don't like crunchy pizza.
Too hot. I can't bite the base. The crust was as hard as a freaking rock that it almost chipped my tooth. We got the soy cream parfait for dessert.
It'd be better if the brownie was like hot and soft.
The soy milk tastes very strong. This is the berry sauce. Just finished eating. However, the ending wasn't that good. The parfait was alright. The soy cream was really good, but the brownie kind of ruined it for me. I should have ordered the dessert plain. It would have been much better and cheaper. The pizza was shit. It was burnt. So it started off really good with the fake meat and then just the pizza drop. And then the parfait go up a little, but it was just like a meh handing, not like a whoa. Kind of disappointed, to be honest. To make my last meal more satisfying, I got this vegan red bean ice bar popsicle.
Bye-bye.
Not. Why?
What am I supposed to do?
Why? Cookies. This one is so good. I'm so happy I found this. At night, we wandered around the city. Oh, feels good.
Maybe you should have it.
I passed by this eye-catching store called Psychedelic Trippers. What a name. Of course I had to take a look. Wow, the store was really trippy. I ended up buying this shirt and this pin that means a lot to me. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe